Welcome po sa Grand Media Conference ni Donnie Pangilinan at Bel Mariano para sa free TV premiere ng kanilang romantic comedy series na How to Spot a Red Flag. Tama po yung narinig ninyo. Premiering on free TV starting January 27. 9:30 p.m. sa Kapamilya Channel A to Z at TV5. Red Flag Alert, mga kapamilya, ABS-CBN Studios and View proudly present a Dreamscape Entertainment production, a View original series, How to Spot a Red Flag, starring Donnie Pangilinan and Bel Mariano, directed by Direct Dwayne Baltazar. At gaya nga nabanggit ko kanina, it's premiering on January 27. Mark your calendars, January 27, 9:30 p.m. Yan po sa Kapamilya Channel, A to Z and TV5. Quick shoutout lang po sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa atin ngayon via live stream sa Dreamscape Entertainment Facebook page at sa Facebook pages po ng ABS-CBN, I Want TFC, Kapamilya TFC, Star Magic, ABS-CBN PR, TV5 at sa YouTube ng ABS-CBN Entertainment. Kung nasaan man po kayong bahagi ng mundo, hello, thank you for joining us. And we're joined by our friends from the press. Nandito po sila ngayon dahil lahat kami excited na magtanong kina Donnie and Bel. What's up? Anong nangyayari? Because right now, kung kayo po ay nanonood sa View Philippines, medyo palapit na sa finale, no? So yung mga hindi nakakapanood sa View platform, mapapanood nyo na yan sa Free TV. And hindi ko na patatagalin. Tawagin na natin ang Gen Z Phenomenal Love Team, ang talaga namang nagbigay ng kilig sa atin sa How to Spot a Red Flag. Please welcome Donnie Pangilinan and Bel Mariano. Yehey! Palakpakan. Naka-cellphone kasi, kaya hindi makita. Hello please, Donnie and Bel. Stand over here sa gitna. You look like a mermaid. Okay, pose for photos muna. We have some friends from the press na gusto nang mag-upload at mag-tweet at mag-post sa mga social media accounts nila. Our official hashtag for this afternoon is hashtag DonBelGrandMediaCon and hashtag HTSARFTV Premiere. Apakahaba naman nun. It's How to Spot a Red Flag Free TV Premiere. Ayun, ayan, naka-flash sa ating LED screens. Look at look at the left. Yan. Left muna. And then look at your right. Sa right naman po. Ayan, sa right. And in the middle. Okay. Wag mo na kayo mo po. Wag mo na kayo mo po. Meron tayong a little surprise. Can we stand over there sa mat? Mat, please stand on the mat. Kasi, ilalabas natin yung poster nyo for the Free TV premiere. Eto na. Let's do the countdown. Alright? Ito, sa LED screen natin. In 5, 4, 3, 4. Galing, no? Nagpantay yung height nyo. Nagganon no? Minsan lang. Bel, Donnie, can I get your quick reaction please sa ating cute na poster?
Nakakatuwa po kasi actually dito rin po kami nag-shoot ng poster namin. And pagpasok ko kanina, sabi ko, parang ganito tayo nagsimula. And nandito
That was how many months ago?
That was October.
Oh, wow. About 4 months ago, no?
A couple of months ago na.
Po.
Pero, ang galing nyo kasi, same shoot yun, pero ibang-iba yung poster. Sobrang ganda.
Galing na
Tapos may
creatives.
coffee pa tsaka red flag dyan.
But plus, we're sitting sa surfboard.
Oh, diba?
Yes, yung nag-shoot kami, nakaupuan lang kami niyan, tapos na-edit, ang galing.
Ah, diba?
Congratulations,
Sobrang
team.
Oh,
galing.
see,
Ganda ng
we're just
poster.
getting started. Have a seat.
Yes.
Donnie and Bel, simulan na natin
Ito pala.
ang ating
I think.
ang ating Q&A. We have Donnie and Bel this afternoon. First of all, before we go into the Free TV premiere, I saw your clips at Sinulog. How fun was that?
Hindi nga kami nakakain ng lechon eh. Actually, yun yung one thing na nilook forward ko pag nasa Cebu ako. But of course, sobrang nakakatuwa po kasi again, nakita ko, last year kasi napunta rin ako sa Sinulog and this time kasama ko naman si Donnie doon. I'm so happy nakita namin yung mga kapamilya sa Cebu. Talagang sobrang warm kasi ng welcome nila doon. So nakakatuwa talaga every time I'm there.
Yeah, we missed it. It's been a while na nag-out of town kaming dalawa. And when we arrived at the airport, ang ganda na ng welcome nila. We love going to Cebu. Sobrang bait na mga Cebuanos. And every time we're there, the energy is just through the roof. So maraming salamat. We can't wait to go there again.
Grabe sila.
Hopefully, diba next year makapunta ulit tayo.
Yes.
Pero
Ibang
marami pa kaming
festival naman.
Marami pa kaming festival na pupuntahan.
Lilibot, wow!
Na hindi pa sinasabi. O sinabi na ba? Hindi pa pala.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa
Actually,
nga.
yun yung maganda, no? Parang mas masaya makita kayo on the ground, you know, physically, face-to-face with your bubblies all over the country. Di ba? Yun yung masaya. Pero I beg to disagree na sinabi mo na minsan lang kami makapag-out of town. Yung shoot nyo nga, out of town eh.
Sa La Union.
Yung event with supporters.
Event.
Mm.
Okay.
Cute.
Uy,
Kasi,
before anything else, alam ko ibang show to, pero congratulations sa Incognito stint nito.
Oh!
Kasi ang galing ng mga eksena niya.
Ganun na kalakas ang ating prime time, di ba? Back to back to back. At kayo, makakasama na rin namin kayo sa prime time starting
Yes!
January 27. How does it feel after Can't Buy Me Love? Ito naman, napapanood kayo on Free TV. Belle?
well, wait, gusto ko lang po mag-hi sa press natin at sa media. Hello po. Hello po.
Hello
sa-
everyone. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you po for your
Maraming
time.
salamat po.
Yes, pero going back po sa question nyo, feels so nice to be back on Primetime Vida, syempre. Kasi this time around, makakapagturo na naman kami ng bagong learning sa audience namin. You know, most especially nowadays na talagang ang daming trolls online, ang daming scammers online. And catfishing, we have to be extra careful. And it's so nice that we're able to communicate that through this show.
So that's the message of the series, no?
Being careful.
Being a little bit more
Yes.
careful.
It's a very timely show kasi every single day technology gets better and better with the rise of like AI and stuff like that. It's so easy to fake profiles online or to pretend to be someone to scam people. Ang daming scammers ngayon, di ba? So, it really does happen in relationships as well. Kasi minsan, kahit di mo na nakikita yung tao, kahit online lang, naniniwala ka na, di ba? So, you have to be very vigilant and it really can affect someone emotionally, mentally. So, please be careful when you guys go online and talk about these people, talk to these people. Kasi nangyari na sa amin yun actually. People would fake our family on Facebook and other platforms and then they would ask for money. And naniwala yung mga ibang members namin.
Okay.
So they would give. So we had to trace the person.
Okay.
So we've experienced it firsthand. So it's something very scary. Yeah.
So ang ganda, hindi lang kilig at tawanan ang hatid ng How to Spot a Red Flag, but also socially relevant.
Yes.
You know, reminding everybody about the perils of social media and deep fake and scamming. All right. Ang ating mga kasamahan sa press excited nang magtanong sa inyo, makakwentuhan, mag-catch up. Tawagin na natin our first on the list is MJ Marfori of TV5. MJ, where are you? Ayan, there you go. May mic
Hi
ba
po,
si
Ken.
ito si
Let's
Aaron
see you po,
Domingo of
Ken.
Corporate Communications will assist us in sa ating Q&A. Ito na, naku, exciting.
Congratulations, guys. We're so excited to see you on television this time. So, can you tell us, did production brief you? Meron bang pagkakaiba yung sa, of course, streaming and may television version ba ang How to Spot a Red Flag? Like additional scenes?
Yung diaries,
Actually, hindi namin alam kung may additional scenes. Ang alam
Yeah.
namin yung show na pinalabas sa online. Yun din yung sa streaming.
Yes.
Sa TV. Pero hindi kami sure eh.
yung yung diaries natin.
Tama ba?
Right?
Sila
Sa
na lang
feeling ko
sumagot.
may iba lang yung hati because
Yeah,
in
yeah.
view,
Yes,
it's
the
just 2
time to-
episodes ang drop
Per
every
week.
week, di
Yeah.
ba? So siguro yun lang MJ.
Alam ko ito every day eh. Every
Oo,
day ito.
every
5
day
times a
siya.
week pala.
Oo.
5 times.
So medyo mahahati-hati ng konti. I think that will be the only difference. You were mentioning about the diaries.
Yeah, the Red
Mga
Flag
bonus
diaries.
yun, no? Mga
yeah,
bonus.
it's on
Yes.
the new app. So.
Yeah.
There you go. MJ.
I love that. And just a follow-up, Donnie, can you, ang ganda nung pinapakitang learning sa How to Spot a Red Flag. Can you tell us how you traced that person na nag-fake sa family nyo?
How we trace the person?
How to trace a red flag.
The red flag.
I think what we did, nag-send kami ng pera sa kanya. Tapos sabi namin, meet tayo dito sa point na to, sa location na to. And then, may police na doon. And they were a couple of people who got the money talaga. So, we were able to catch them. But, yeah, it happens more often than not. Even with my family, like, there were some people na they would think that they're in a relationship with my sister. Pero, hindi naman pala talaga yung kausap. Parang hindi naman siya talaga yung kausap. So, it's scary, and stuff. But, can I just say, this story is very light and very funny. So, yes, there are those kinds of stuff, but it's a very light show. But it also shows that, this stuff really does happen and we have to be careful. Yeah.
Thank you so much. We're so excited. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you po.
MJ. That's MJ Marfori from TV5. Our next set of questions galing kay Nika Sabio ng ABS-CBN Push. Sabi ni Nika, ako na lang daw magtatanong. Donnie, having a remarkable character from your previous series, how do you differentiate your character as Matt? So, ano pagkakaiba ni Matt kay Bingo at saka sa iba pa?
Wow, very different. Bingo.
May sagot ako pero mamaya na. Sagot ka muna.
Sige. Wala akong good morning towel ngayon. Hindi, pero si Matt, he grew up in La Union, but he went to school in Manila. So it's the mix of both worlds. Siyempre si Bingo, si Binondo siya talaga ever since. I'm a beach boy, and I think I'm very business-minded in a different way from Bingo. Hindi live selling. Mas parang corporate. Yung ganon. Tsaka, medyo mas similar ako kay Matt. Medyo siya parang hindi siya gagawa ng bagay kung alam niya may maapektuhang taong mahal niya. So he's very si Matt. Yeah, he's very careful to move around. He wants to make sure that everyone around him is okay, even if sometimes he's not okay. Ganon. So
Saka si Bingo, dati, pa-sleeveless lang. Si Matt ngayon, pa-topless na.
Pati si Matt, namumula yung ilong kapag nagsisinungaling.
Ay, totoo?
Yeah.
yeah, there's that aspect sa show. So that's also good actually. Hindi ko alam na may ganun palang Pinocchio syndrome. May ganun talaga yung totoong buhay. Nagiging allergic yung tao.
Interesting.
Yeah, they talk to doctors about that Yeah.
POV mo, anong pinagkaiba ni Matt kay Bingo?
Well, pareho kasi silang malapit sa family nila. Like si Mamang, diba? And now yung mom mo dito. Yun nga, wala siyang good morning towel. Pati this time, hindi ko na siya nababangga. Kasi sa Can't Buy Me, ilang beses ko ata siya nabangga doon.
Sasampal mo lang si Matt no?
Yes, isang
Flowers,
beses lang.
ng flowers.
Isang beses lang.
Bel, mula pa rin kay Nika, what's the challenging part naman daw of playing Cha in the series?
Oh, kay Cha? Minsan, to be honest, medyo napipikon ako kay Cha. Pag nag-shoot, pag nababasa ko yung script. Kasi minsan, nagpapabudol talaga siya. So, minsan yun yung challenging part. Kasi sometimes, she's just blinded. But sometimes kasi, hindi talaga tayo aware na nabubudol na pala tayo, diba? Eh ako naman kasi nakikita ko na yung life ni Cha when I read the script. So, I know what's gonna happen to her. But Cha, in the moment when we're shooting it, I don't know what's gonna happen in the future. So, napipikon ako sa kanya pag nagpapabudol siya. So, ayun yung challenging part siguro while playing her. Siguro, I wanna talk to Cha. Sabihin ko sa kanya na, uy, mas maging careful ka naman. Pero syempre, matututo tayong lahat.
So, the challenge is naiinis ka na, ba't ganito yung character ko nagpapabudol?
No,
Parang
I
ganun.
love Cha. I love Cha. Naiinis lang ako pag nagpapabudol siya.
Alright, thank you, Nika, from Push. From Jay of Certified Kapamilya, ang question is for Donnie. From He's Into Her up to ngayon sa How to Spot a Red Flag, masasabi natin na medyo mahaba na rin ang inyong samahan. In the years working together, what is your favorite thing about Belle? And the other way around. Okay, so what's your favorite thing about Belle?
He's Into Her, grabe nag-flashback lahat ng moment natin. Nagbanggaan tayo sa kalsada. Dave tsaka Max. Nalala mo yun?
Nag-basketball pa ako.
Ibang-iba pa itsura natin.
Nag-billiards tayo doon. Dito, nagsisurfing tayo.
Favorite thing about Belle?
Can I start? Can I answer first? Sorry. I thought of something. I think it's just so nice that I'm able to try new things with you. Such as, I learned billiards with you. I learned surfing with you. So, siguro natutuwa ako na but my favorite thing about you is you're so game with anything. Yes.
Ako naman, you always find a way to kind of reinvent yourself, hindi kasi madali yung after one project, we do another project, and then you have to think about how do you make this character different. Kasi minsan, pag nagiging sobrang komportable kami sa isa't isa, baka same lang yung atake namin sa Isinter, dapat diba ibang level naman of Don Bell yung makikita nila. So, Belle is always trying to do things that will portray something else in her character and her craft. And sobrang nakikita ng lahat yon. Ito nga, diba, if you could see her sa Incognito, tapos makita mo dito sa How to Spot, sobrang iba yung characters nila at kayang-kaya niyang gawin yon. So, ayun, that's probably one big one.
Not to mention yung mga may concerts pa si Belle,
Yes,
diba?
of course.
May mga releases pa siya ng mga singles niya. So, makita mo talaga yung versatility. And also, I just wanna make mention, yung maturity nyo din from, you know, the very first he's into her up to now. Grabe na rin. Ilang years na yun?
Siguro,
6?
Hindi, more, 5.
Really?
Ano,
kasi
2020,
kailan ba tayo nag-GOSI?
2019.
2019.
2019, oo. 6 years.
Tapos nag-show yung pandemic.
5, 6
Siguro
years.
mga
Wow.
5, yeah.
Feels like a lifetime already.
And we want to thank all the supporters who are watching right now, who's been with us from the very start. Maraming salamat. Grabe rin yung support nila sa amin.
Grabe ha. Nakwentuhan tayo. Yung eroplano, yung meron silang signage.
Tapos, yeah, and then yung
The
sa
bridge,
and then yung
the
sa boat
LEDs
pa.
and the billboards. Grabe ha.
May mural pa sila sa Baguio,
Mural,
di ba?
Yeah.
Grabe ang effort. Speaking of supporters, trending na kayo ngayon. First 5 trending topics.
Wow!
Sa X platform, kayo ay trending. Trending yung Matcha, Grand MediaCon, ang ating mga hashtags, and of course, Donnie Pangilinan as Matt and Belle Mariano as Cha. Grabe! Wala akong masabi. Next question is for Belle. May kasabihan na nothing is constant but change. Pero kung ikaw ang papipiliin, anong trait ni Donnie ang na-appreciate mo at wish mo na sana ay wag nang magbago?
Isa lang. Parang ang dami naman. Yeah.
Go ahead. We have the whole afternoon.
No, because there's yun nga, para siyang definition ng green flag talaga. Hindi, totoo, kasi he's such a gentleman, family-oriented. So, if there was one thing, siguro, you're gonna achieve so many things. You're gonna soar higher. Siguro never forget your core and never forget God. That's it.
Balik na rin natin. Donnie naman. What's one thing about her that you don't
Ganon
want to
din,
change?
mamaya pa tayo kung ano sinabi ko lahat. I hope she doesn't change that inner child in her. Kasi I love when she's super happy and like super excited about things like she was when she was a child. It's also, ganon din ako, may mga parts din ako na ganon. To not lose your love for your family. Obviously, hindi mawawala yon. Of course, your love for your craft. Siyempre, mahal na mahal niya yung lahat ng pinapasukan niyang trabaho. And yeah, keep the faith, of course. That's very important.
Uy,
Yeah.
alam mo, ang nakakakita lang daw ng mga ganun or pinagpapakitaan ng inner child is someone that they kind of love the most. Oo. You don't show that to everybody. Di ba? Parang, and sometimes the person who notices that is that special person. Yun lang naman. Gusto ko lang naman sabihin. Huwag kang matense, Donnie. Natetense si Donnie eh.
Saan nyo nabasa yan?
Hindi ako nakikinig lang. Ikaw ba, you show your inner child to just anybody randomly?
I think it's pretty common naman for us to like show our inner child to anyone we're
Di ba?
Yes,
People you're
comfortable
close
with.
with,
Yes.
people you love, di ba? Di ba, Donnie, no?